What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, I'm a big fan of what XRP can become, but it seems like XRP is always being held back by the Ripple versus SEC litigation, right? Everything that's happening there seems to be kind of the downfall or downturn of this position. And I've believed in this position more and more and more as time goes on because of what has been said of what it could be and what it will be, right? And it's very, very interesting to see that because now I know that I can utilize my XRP. I can, invest into it based on a use case or invest into it based on the financial gain that I can have as it does grow to a certain value. But this is pretty big news. I think it could be massive for crypto in general, but also massive for XRP as you see somebody that's pro XRP that's kind of making decisions for this country or potentially making decisions. I know you have a whole entire, the House and the Senate that you really have to make these decisions off of and go through in order to get things passed. And I think it's just a stepping stone to getting more, I would say, competent people in those spots. But I want to talk about XRP in this video because this could be absolutely massive for XRP, and I don't think you want to skip this video. So make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Now, don't forget about my link for Margex. If you guys want to sign up for Margex, trade up to 100x leverage. Honestly, it's a great platform. I was able to get $7,000 extra of XRP by only investing $100 to start with, and I didn't really spend any more money after that. Like all of it was just XRP that I gathered within gains in Margex. And it was because of the growth that we've seen within the bull market. So if you want to also have that, feel free to check out Margex. That link is down below. It's a great platform. But let's look at XRP right now. Currently, the price of XRP is at 61 cents. And it seems like anytime it gets to a high level, which I believe was 75 cents, it ends up retracing. And I classified it as resetting itself. It seems to continue to reset itself to a certain level, which would be like, 50 cents, 55 cents, 60 cents. Certain levels, it just keeps coming down to these levels here, while you see everything else, while it has increased, also decreases, but still is at a higher level than where it started, right? You can talk about ADA and see that at a level of 30 cents or 20 cents or something like that, increase to a level of 60, come down to 50, increase to 70, come down to 60, increase to almost 80 or actually 80, and then decrease down to 70. So it's increasing, but then you see those kind of stair step moments. For XRP, you don't really see that. You see it long term where it looks like that is happening, where it comes down to a slight bit higher of a low so that it looks like an ascending level of support, but it's not as strong as what you're seeing in the rest of the market. And the reason being is because of the litigation that's going on. So again, this is down to 61 cents. We're seeing it down 2.7% on the day. It is at a $33.4 billion market cap with $2.4 billion worth of volume. We always know that this has a lot of volume that goes through it. Crazy enough, I don't know if this has been updated at all, but it seems like it's been like 3 months and XRP has been standing at 54%, meaning that there's only 54.8 billion. It doesn't look like they're adding the 1 billion every month because it's been like 4 months and we haven't seen this really move or change or do anything, which I wouldn't say is concerning. It's great for the people that are holding because you're not seeing that slight dilution that can go into it, but it still is something that you want to focus on and understand what's going on with that escrow and what you're going to do with that escrow. Hopefully, after this case does get concluded, we have some sort of burn to the escrow, and they're like, "Yeah, we don't need that escrow." Or, I mean, in the long run, that it doesn't matter with the 100 billion max supply. You're still going to see higher prices as the use case does come on. Now, I've mentioned about this use case, about where it's going to go, and I understand that it's going to be very strong. We're going to see higher prices because of this. And if it could be implemented the way we all know that it can be, it could be really big. But this is the big news that's here. I know you guys have been waiting for what that big news is. This big news is that Pro-XRP lawyer is confident he can win Senate bid sets $1 million campaign goal. Now, why is this interesting? Why is this big news? Well, I think this is just a step in the right direction to have anybody not just pro XRP, but pro crypto in the Senate, pro crypto, making decisions ultimately and being able to cast a vote on something because they know and believe in cryptocurrency. And I think it's a big deal to be able to have that because, one, I'm a big fan of XRP. And if you know that you can utilize XRP in a large way, that would be something that would be pushed in many different cases. But pro XRP lawyer John Deaton has claimed he is ready to take on cryptocurrency critic Senator Elizabeth Warren in the Massachusetts Senate race, urging his large crypto-friendly social media following to financially back his campaign. Which again, you're basically complete opposites, polar opposites, where you have Elizabeth Warren that pretty much hates everything related to wealth and crypto, honestly, to now John Deaton, who is a pro XRP lawyer who has always been pro XRP. In a post on X, formerly Twitter, Deaton told his 324,100 followers that he is investing 500,000 in his own money into the Senate campaign. He further shared that he is optimistic he can challenge Warren, even though she's held the position in Massachusetts for 11 years. There needs to be a change. I can win. Some people mistakenly believe that Elizabeth Warren cannot be beaten in Massachusetts, and it's simply not true. I would agree. Anybody can be beaten in any scenario. And obviously, I would be more in support of John Deaton than I would Elizabeth Warren, which is very, very interesting. I mean, I'm just pro XRP. This is the thing. I'm pro crypto. And I don't really care about a certain side, honestly, whether it's Democratic or Republican. I don't really care about that. But the point is that I care about being pro XRP. I care about being pro cryptocurrency and understanding that we can't follow the same laws and regulations that we have now with cryptocurrency, or sorry, with the stock market and businesses and all of that, to now putting that in the same spot as for cryptocurrency. It's just not the same thing. We can't look at it the same way. And I'm a big fan of anybody who is pro crypto and has great ideas. And as I've said this, I'm pro good ideas. So this is definitely something that I think we need to explore, because the more people that you can see get in those spots that care about crypto, that understand crypto, the further we can go and the faster we can grow, right? That's what it's all about. So honestly, I think this is massive news to even have kind of that stepping stone, and hopefully we can have more and more people that understand crypto in these seats. And it needs to happen, right? It does need to happen, because as we vote on things for cryptocurrency, I feel as though it's necessary for people to understand it. You wouldn't vote on something if you don't understand it, right? I mean, I would think you wouldn't. So anyways, guys, I think this is interesting. I think you should take a look at this and read into this. There's a lot more articles associated with it, and we really only read the beginning of that. I just didn't want to have to go through the whole entire thing, but if you want to check it out, I can provide the link, but literally just search up XRP news and it's literally everywhere. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at PerryHGA, you can follow me over there. Also, make sure you check out the link for Margex. That link is in the description. Guys, I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.